Hello guys, welcome to the channel Your Bestie, and in this today's video I'm going to provide you 18 plus Udemy free courses, and I have provided the course link in the description box so that you can click over the link and get access to all the courses for free. Okay, first course we have hands-on Python 3 regular expression. This is indeed a very good course and it costs around 455, but I have provided the link in description box. You just click on the box and enroll for free. And the second course is this course number 0 and course number 1, the art of doing code 40 challenging Python programs today. It is also very good course. Over 51,000 students have enrolled for this course, and it has a content of 28.5 hours. So just click on the link in the description box and click enroll now so that you can get the course immediately for free. Okay, course number 2 is WordPress SEO 2020 easy on page SEO for WordPress beginner, and this is also a good course and having 4.4 a good rating. Just click on enroll now and you'll get for free. See here, it's given 100% off, so I have provided the link in description box. So number 3 we have basic Python quiz, and it's also a very good course. And at number 4 we have advanced Microsoft Excel formulas and function course 2020. Just I have enrolled for this course. Even you guys enroll, just click on enroll now and you'll get the course for free. And number 5 I think we have learn English, and this is also a good course. Just click enroll now and enroll for free. And number 6 MS Excel 2020, the complete introduction to Excel. Over 1 lakh students, 95,000 students have enrolled for this course, and this instructor is really very good instructor. He has control over his language. So just click on the link and you can enroll for this course. And number 7 we have advanced Node.js programming course, and just click over enroll now and you can enroll for this course. I think number 8 we have Wireshark ethical hacker guide, and it costs around 11,840, and only 2 days left at this price. So only 2 days this offer is there. So just click on enroll now and you can enroll for free. At number 9 we have cross-site scripting cybersecurity course, and as you know, cybersecurity has nowadays the course on cybersecurity is very valid and it has a lot of importance. And just click over enroll now and you can enroll for the course. Number 10 we have learn Java programming with hands-on examples. With examples you can learn whatever here it's given, what you learn: basics and objects, strings, functions, variables, events, and even Java object-oriented program. So without wasting time, enroll for this course. I think 11th course we have serverless Python application on Google. This very good course. It has a rating over 4.8. So enroll for this course. So don't waste your time, just enroll. It's only 1 day left at this price. So next course we have Adobe Illustrator CC for 2020 MasterClass. Even I have enrolled for this course. Just click on enroll now and you can enroll for this course. And next course we have premium bootcamp from A to Z PVSOL, and this is also a premium software course. So I have enrolled, then you also enroll for this course for free. And next we have automating Instagram with InstaPy. It's also a very good course. It has over 3.4 rating, and I have enrolled for this course yesterday, I think, yes, August 2. So just click on the link and you'll get enroll now. Just enroll and enjoy the course. Next one, automate the boring stuff with Python programming. This is the best course I recommend for everyone. So over 6,30,000 students have enrolled for this course, and even in Coursera I think you can't find a course like this. So guys, enroll for this course. You can learn web scraping, regular expression, then automating your mouse, and many more in this course. I have enrolled for this course. Even you guys try out this course. And at next we have Python for beginners. Learn all basics of Python, and this is also by Asin Marco, and this is the one of the best course. Then enroll for the course. And the complete guide to bot creation. This is also bot creation nowadays is coming to light. So many people are liking to do the course on bot creation. So please enroll for this course so that you can learn more about bot creation. Just click on enroll now and enroll for the course. Next we have Linux Mastery, complete Linux course for beginners. So you can click on enroll now and enroll for this course. So guys, I think that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. And first you have to enroll for this hands-on Python regular 3 expression course. This is one of the best course, and enrolling it, and the instructor also, I think he have explained it very well. And that's it for today's tutorial guys. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.